Hey guys, a Gaio here, pulling a U-Haul 2,100 pound trailer with the Hyundai Elantra on it. I keep forgetting that I'm pulling a trailer. I'm like, get off my ass, and it's the car that's on the trailer. Anyhow, pulling with my 2018 Ram 3.6 Pentastar with the 321 gear ratio. My gross, my towing capability, I think I read, is 4,400 pounds. Trailer is 2,100, car is 2,300, so I'm at my max. I'm having pulled loads with other trucks, heavier loads, lighter loads. It really doesn't feel like it. I mean, I installed a brake controller, which is a real simple plug and play, beautiful thing. But I didn't need it because we rented a U-Haul trailer and it has inertia brakes, which really helped. So I just wanted to take you to 2-3 minutes of my drive. I've been driving for about 50 miles already. I did some city. Now I'm doing some highway. I'm going to do a couple hills or whatnot, merging. You do feel that you have a trailer and a car. I'm in no way saying that this is safe, because I don't want anybody using this video. This is just my opinion. This is an opinion video. So those are my temperatures, which those of you that know the Pentastar know that these are normal temperatures. It's normal to sit idling and reach 230 and have your fan come on and bring it down to 220, and that's the 10-degree cycle. Obviously the thermostat will open at 190, but I guess it's just the design of the engine. I haven't really looked into it that much yet. I looked into it a little bit, but I have the 2018, so apparently this is a new and improved Pentastar. 205 horsepower, 269 foot-pounds of torque. I think my lawnmower's got more torque, but you know what? It's not bad. I mean, I feel very safe. Let's put it that way. I'm not rocking. I do have airlift 1,000-pound bags in the back. I got them inflated at 30 pounds. Maybe that's what's helping with the body roll, because I haven't towed anything with this truck before putting those in. It's the first thing I did when I bought it. But this is what we're doing right now, 60 miles an hour. RPMs are a little high, but that's the Pentastar way. And apparently that's the Ram way, because I had the Hemi before that was supposedly rated for 10,000 pounds, and to go up a 15-degree incline, it was downshifting like a mother. Look, I'm right behind the cop, and I'm doing a video on my phone. Look, see him? State police. So anyway, I'm just gonna, hit it a little bit so you guys can see. Reaction is there. It's slow, but it's there. Just, hang on and enjoy the ride. I'm just gonna show you grade, and I want you to see temperatures, RPMs, etc., and you could make the call for yourself as to what you want to use a 321 geared Ram Pentastar to tow for. 90% of the time, I commute with it. I work at 10% of the time. Great, this guy's not pulling somebody over. Wonderful. Yeah, well, he's on video. Sorry, buddy. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down, obviously, real quick. Sorry about that. It's pulling the dump truck over because the dump truck actually has no plates on it. So anyway, I didn't even realize I already started my ascent. So we're doing about 70. Speed limit 55 in the trailer. I'm at 3,000 RPM. But I think I'm at 3,000 RPM when I'm kind of just normally driving up this grade. This is a nice grade. I'm in the right lane just because I'm being cautious. As you can see, car's still there. You can see my temperatures. My temperatures are still good. I got this guy just, he's slowing down. He's passing 70 miles an hour. That's pretty much, I feel safe here. I could hit 75, 80. I definitely could, but I don't want to worry about the trailer rocking and why mess up a good thing, especially when I'm on the phone right now making a video on Route 80. So anybody who knows Route 80 will understand. So just because I've read a lot of different things, and you know, I just decided just to go for it. A lot of negativity about the Pentastar. Everybody loves the Hemi. I had a Hemi. I loved it. But I think it was more just because I love the sound and the grunt and, you know, that aspect of it. But as far as the Ram, I was a Ford guy. I got a 6.0 Power Stroke at home, which I'm about to, anybody want to buy it? I got other videos up about it. I love that truck, but I need something a little more reliable. So I'm switching lanes again. So just so you can see, this is me pulling 4,400 pounds, which is my max. That's what the website says. That's what the book says. I honestly didn't pull the build sheet on this truck because I bought it new and I saw in the window sticker it was 221 gears. But I might have to double check because it doesn't feel like I'm at my max weight. You know, it's a V6, and honestly, I'm pretty impressed with it. So there you go, guys. I hope this helps make any towing easier, or any towing decision easier. And I'm probably gonna put some more videos up about this Ram now, because this is gonna be my daily driver from now on. So bear with me, and hopefully I'll upgrade my technology at some point, so you guys aren't just shaking around. All right. So that was a nice grade. That was, you know, that was highway driving. City driving is pretty good. City driving, about 30 miles an hour. I guess when I go to hit it, it just takes a little bit. But other than that, the pedal's just as responsive as it was, and you just got to remember that you're pulling some weight. All right, guys. Enjoy your day.